Hi and welcome. Today we're making Tapsi Bainjan. It's a traditional Kurdish eggplant casserole and it tastes wonderful. It can be made with or without meat. I choose to make this dish with ground beef. The full ingredient list can be found in the description box down below. I'm starting by preparing the ingredients. Here I have parsley that I will rinse and give a rough chop. I'll then slice the vegetables and partially peel the eggplants. I'll cut them in thick slices like this, as the vegetables tend to get very soft if they're sliced thinly. I'm going to save the garlic cloves for later when we're going to prepare the ground beef. Now let's start by frying the vegetables. Now that our vegetables are done, we're going to start cooking the ground beef. I'm going to brown the meat and start adding the seasoning. What gives this dish the right smell and flavor is an essential seasoning called 7 spices. And if you don't have that at hand, you can easily make your own. I'll add the recipe for that in the description box. I'm also adding salt and pepper and paprika spice. Then I'll add the garlic and stir it all together. At this point, I'm going to turn off the heat and add some raisins to the meat. Now comes the fun part, when everything comes together in a pot. I'm basically creating layers with all the ingredients we've been preparing. Spread the eggplants, meat, and the vegetables and top it with the cooked tomatoes. Now I'll add tomato paste on top and pour just a little bit of boiled water in the pot. Let it simmer for 8 minutes and then add more water and sprinkle the chopped parsley. Now our tepsi has to simmer for 30 minutes on low heat. The warm aroma has filled the house and our dish is ready to be served. My family loves this dish when I serve it with Kurdish rice. That's it for now. I hope you'll give this dish a try. You won't regret. I hope to see you again on the next one.